What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Little Abada. Welcome back to another video. It's a village vlog. I just arrived. I washed my baby's clothes, which I pre-washed when I was home. Unfortunately, the weather is closed, so I cannot continue washing. It has been dripping. Shame. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe, turn the post notification on to be notified every single time that I have a post. What are we gonna do next? I don't know. We're probably gonna catch a kitchen. You're probably gonna catch a chicken. Yeah, I guess can hear in the background. Let's explore outside. Let me give you guys a village house tour, and I'm afraid because of Milia. So this is my village house. It's empty because like it's only me, my mom, and my small sister, and then my baby that stayed here. The rest of the people are waiting. Shame, but yeah, that is until I'm trying to burn it away because one day when I came home, this is actually my first time seeing India. So this is how India is. I've never seen it. I know this is black thing. So they peel off. Oh, Kenny Maria. I'm afraid to go inside here. Yeah, that's bang. This is another one. Is this what you call the pollen grains? And then I feel like let me try and take one thing here. Wow. Anyways, I want to clean in front here quickly before it gets dark and go because it's dirty. Like just look at all the grass there. It's very dirty. So I want to leave my just small. Now I have to look for placement to put my phone. Dopinga something. Yeah. Let me take a smaller one cause if I take a bigger one. So there's a hole there. With two small ones. You know when you're a content creator, my dear, and you don't have a tripod, it's just otherwise. So taking two bricks, one to place the phone. Look at my mini tripod. This is my tripod. Shame. So let's clean. Let me put you guys down. So I start cleaning. Face my fears. Daily media. So, I cannot face my fears. I still have a degree to obtain. Anyway, let me put you guys down so I can go and finish washing this clothes. At least on that I need to take up because hopefully the water's gonna come tomorrow. And then if you later and then okay, my name to cut there. Yeah. Hopefully on Tenya Shatman could tear Musanganya. Because I know I'm not gonna tear like till like that. So I'll see you guys later. It's currently dark. Yes, you guys will not be able to see me now because let me flashlight myself. There's no electricity here. So if you guys saw previously, you guys saw an unknown number called me, and apparently it's Lucas. I don't know from where, but anyways, apparently I'm the girlfriend, and they wanted to insult me. You guys probably saw how I insulted him, like, Moya, yes. Because how do you just come and say, babe? I'm like, who are you? Doesn't make sense. But anyways, let me finish washing. At least now I can do it, and then I can get me my cousin, my cousin type of went to go catch chicken. I know it's late for us to eat, cook and eat. So yeah, we're just about to wait for the chicken, and it's gonna be a hectic night. But okay, let's go in the house. In the room, actually, not in the house because we're already in the house. Let's go in the room so we can go and light up this lamp. Let me put on the thingy kit for the bulb. Because you put them upside down.
Oh, yeah.
How are you, Eva?
This?
Nothing not to see. Spring quickly. Ooh, spring. We have electricity. I have electricity. Can you guys see me? So I'm gonna vlog with this so you guys will be able to see me. How does it switch on? Mm. And then, oh, it switches the middle one. This is the middle light. And then how does the other one switch on? This one. Oh, this is nice. But then make the middle one. Let's go and just look for this one. Put it on. How does it move? Yeah, this one is better. Come now, you are so small.
I'm not small.
Is that it? I'm quickly manipulating myself. I am in the room. This color, you know. Yeah, I'm in the room. This is our room. Kind of scary too. I don't know at what age I'll be able to be like comfortable, like not. I don't know at what age you take a ride with you. Yes. Ewa, I don't know how I will. I don't know oneni andikakala initila akukala in a village house because I like talking a lot. Let me leave this phone and then I go and watch the clothes also. Basic krachne so as the phone do it, the vlog I do it work. Bye, see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys when I cook actually.
It's my mother. Am I making something? People can see you now. He's trying to put a fire. But he can't put fire. He's trying. As the fire comes, he'll put on, they're putting juhwa. Like chicken. They're putting chicken. And eating. They're cooking chicken and they're eating it. We are trying to make my friend on this one. I'm there con juhwa. Forget the juhwa now. You can't touch me, Maka. You hold it. They are cooking a chicken. They are cooking a chicken, guys. They just said it. Mom is getting the pot. Putting her in the pot. Ochifilma ochimbobo.
Ai, madara sana jinsi yako. Teteroshi kunima. Teteroshi kutuma. Teteroshi kutuma. Kunya karesho kwa tereke nganya no kudiko shine. No kudiko muri ne difungo. Aba blesu.
Now? Put them up the same again. Feathers. Today we are having the feathers. We are putting the square. Looks like it's in the old hot water now.
Can never go wrong with bacon honey. I'm halfway through baking. Now I'm eating fast. Getting better. So 3-in-1 thing. I'm eating plus baking. cooking/baking. Just when you thought I'm not a white material, I get it now, I'm romantic on you. It's been years that I ate like this. Well, I enjoy it.
Lumoso is a word.
What type of word?
For lumoso, you look lumoso.
Let's do all those things. I'm not sure if that's right.
Left.
Who get mommy what now?
Except when it's away.
If I know, why must I give you sorry if I just said forget to me with that?
Because you say you bring your kids and you say you wait.
Yeah, I said I'll bring my new kids and give birth to new kids because we don't want to be sent.
But when I was doing something just small one time.
Forget money now.
I didn't do it all that.
I'm sorry, my love.
I'm fine, I don't bring those kids.
You didn't want sisters?
I want a sister and a brother.
So those are the kids that I was going to bring, but you just said I must not bring the kids.
Okay, I'll bring them.
Ella, can you please open the curtain for me? No, why don't you open it from the other side? Is there no rope so you can tie it? Tie with your dad. It has dust. I'm sorry, Mama. Okay, so I think I should just go bypass it at the soul shops and whatnot. Putting myself back. Let me now do my routine. It's just me basically. Prepare my face name. It's just me with my wet hands. I take my soap bar, rub my hands on the soap bar. Any soap bar. Any soap bar, honestly. Bring the kasingi, and then that's as soon as it's white. I feel like I need to. Oh, that's almost. I wetten the soap so I can get more of the flavor.
Of the filler. It's not like you like the soap guys.
Soap and flavor is the same thing.
No, it's not a filler, it's a soap guys. My mother just was
Get away now.
to you guys.
Dabushwe, this is what I do.
with my face, and that is the reason why my face is clear. This is all I do, honestly. I don't apply anything. The only thing I apply on my face is just but like I like most likely like Vaseline just to moisturize and give it like a shine. Anyway, this is not a face routine, so yeah. Kalam and Billy and yum yum. That's it. You guys cannot see the soup anymore, Maria. So, jadi magkakapakilan yung tali outside while the soup is doing its work. And there's a lot going on. What I want to start with. Mom wants me to continue washing. And I washed her clothes. Like some of her clothes are there. Some of her clothes are there. Some of her clothes are in front there. I cannot. Like my hands are burning. So what am I doing now? Honestly, I can't better because I can't bite and I could it. I'm trying to on down water, so I wanna do it like in this questionnaire. So right now I'm just gonna pick all the things and I don't think I'll wash my clothes. I came with the classic of my clothes and I didn't even wash my clothes. Shame. So right now I'm just gonna pick everything. What do I?